Amazing guidance of Sri Nisargadatta Maharaj. A quiet mind is all you need. Let's take an in-depth look into this teaching offered by Sri Nisargadatta Maharaj and use it in our meditation and deep contemplation. The teaching that we are going to look into in detail is as follows. Questioner. To know perfectly, I need a perfect mind. Maharaj. A quiet mind is all you need. All else will happen rightly once your mind is quiet. As the sun on rising makes the world active, so does self-awareness affect changes in the mind. In the light of calm and steady self-awareness, inner energies wake up and work miracles without any effort on your part. Maharaj declares as follows. The self stands beyond the mind, aware but unconcerned. Questioner. No question of reconditioning, changing, or eliminating the mind? Maharaj. Absolutely none. Leave your mind alone. That is all. Don't go along with it. After all, there is no such thing as mind, apart from thoughts, which come and go, obeying their own laws, not yours. They dominate you only because you are interested in them. Questioner. If I am beyond the mind, how can I change myself? Maharaj. Where is the need of changing anything? The mind is changing anyhow, all the time. Look at your mind dispassionately. This is enough to calm it. When it is quiet, you can go beyond it. Do not keep it busy all the time. Stop it and just be. If you give it rest, it will settle down and recover its purity and strength. Constant thinking makes it decay. Questioner. If my true being is always with me, how is it that I am ignorant of it? Maharaj. Because it is very subtle and your mind is full of thoughts and feelings. Calm and clarify your mind, and you will know yourself as you are. Now the question arises, how to calm and clarify the mind? How to make the mind quiet? Here is the answer from Maharaj. Just look away from all that happens in your mind and bring it to the feeling, I am. The I am is not a direction. It is the negation of all direction. Ultimately, even the I am will have to go. For you need not keep on asserting what is obvious. Bringing the mind to the feeling, I am, merely helps in turning the mind away from everything else. Questioner. Where does it all lead me? Maharaj. When the mind is kept away from its preoccupations, it becomes quiet. If you do not disturb this quiet and stay in it, you find that it is permeated with a light and a love you have never known, and yet you recognize it at once as your own nature. Questioner. Do I need the mind to know myself? Maharaj. You are beyond the mind, but you know with your mind. And this is where we come back to the main teaching with which we started. Questioner: to know perfectly, I need a perfect mind. Maharaj: a quiet mind is all you need. All else will happen rightly once your mind is quiet. As the sun on rising makes the world active, so does self-awareness affect changes in the mind. In the light of calm and steady self-awareness, inner energies wake up and work miracles without any effort on your part.